we have given two decimal numbers and we have to subtract them. So first we need to write them in vertical columns, aligning the decimal points. So let me write this. We have 20, decimal point 0, 1, and we have 3 decimal point. We need to have in the same column decimal points, and next we have 7, 8, and we have to keep the columns, and 9. We have to subtract these two numbers. Next we have to check how many decimal places we have in the first number and in the second. We have 2 and 3, so we will add extra zeros at the end. How we subtract decimal numbers? We use the same rule like for subtract whole numbers. So first, in my opinion, it's good to check if we have on the top number greater than on the bottom. So we have 0 and 9. 0 is less than 9, so we need to borrow. When we borrow 1 from 1, 1 minus 1 will be 0. And now at the end we will have 10. And next we have 0 and 8. Again we have to do borrowing. Next digit is 0, so we cannot borrow from 0. We cannot borrow from next 0. So now, in my opinion, it's good when we treat this 3 digits like whole number. We have 200. From 200 we need to borrow 1. So what it will be? It will be 199. And now we will have in the second column 10. And now we can do subtraction. Like I said, we use the same rule like for subtracting whole numbers. So we start from the last column and we are going to the left. 10 minus 9 is 1. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. We copy the decimal point exactly in the same column. 9 minus 3 is 6. 1 minus 0, because we don't have to hear any digits, it means is invisible 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. So we got 16.221. Always, if you want, you can check by addition if our solution is correct. So let's do this. We have 16 decimal point 221, and the second number is, which we subtract, is 3 decimal point 789. How we do addition? The same like addition whole numbers. So we have to write them in vertical columns, and we need to align decimal points. And now we start from the last column and we are going to the left. 1 plus 9 is 10. So we have to write 0 and 1 we add to next column. 1 plus 2 plus 8 is 11. So we have 1 and 1 we add to next column. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 10. So we have 0. We copy decimal point and we add 1 to next column. 1 plus 6 plus 9 is 10. So we have to write 0 and we add 1 to next column. 1 plus 1 is 2. We got 20.01. Exactly the same what we have at the beginning. It means that our solution is correct.